Hey guys, thanks for coming to my channel. I hope that you are having a lovely day. If this is your first time or you're not familiar with me, I am Samara, the owner and creator of Skincare of the World, and I've been a licensed esthetician for 11 years. And so today I wanted to share my 5 tips for healthy spring break skin. So it is spring break 2019. I hope that you have some awesome adventures planned, whether that is going to a beach, maybe in Mexico or Florida, or maybe you're coming up to the mountains of like Utah or Colorado. Either way, I just wanted to share some of my ideal key steps to healthy skin while you're on your adventurous spring break. So first thing, what I would recommend is definitely stop exfoliating while you're on your vacation. If you want to exfoliate a couple days beforehand, give you that nice fresh glow, that's great. If you're going to be doing anything like a spray tan, definitely want to exfoliate the body. You can do something like a sugar scrub, or you can also do something like an active body wash, something that has an acid in it to break down and eat away that top layer of dead skin. Definitely do that a couple days ahead of time though, because you want to have a good layer of skin while you are either on the beach or in the mountains, because it'll create that protective layer for you. So one of the things that I would recommend to you for spring break would be to get yourself like a little travel kit. Sanitas has some great travel kits. You can get this in any type of skin type. So these all are going to have anywhere from 4 to 6 products. This tells you the products that are in them. Any ones that are in the green are going to be that nutritious stuff that I am going to talk about. These are all TSA approved little travel size products. These will actually last you like 3 to 4 weeks. So like there's a cleanser, there's your moisturizer. These are great. Like I said, TSA approved, so if you're not checking a bag, it's okay. They're not going to take them from you. And then it gives you everything that you need for a daily cleanser, moisturizer, serum. It doesn't have sunscreen in it, so you do need to purchase that separately. Then the next thing that I would recommend is if you're going to be, partying, having an adventure, you're probably going to be eating and drinking. So I would definitely say with that can definitely come breakouts and issues like that. So bring something to spot treat with. I have something called the Zapper that I use from Sanitas. There's also something from Beautycounter called the Control SOS Acne Spot. Those are both great, just something that you can kind of put on spot treat with them. They both have salicylic acid in it. One of them has sulfur in it. So sulfur and zinc are going to be great ones too to help to clear any kind of breakout. The other thing that I would say for my number 4, definitely do, or sorry, 3, are we on 3? I think we're on 3. Would be to drink plenty of water. So like I said, you're going to be drinking, eating, whether you're at the beach having fun adventure in that salt water or high mountains and altitude, water, water, water. It's going to help with everything in your internal system. It'll help with purging, flushing. It'll make it so that you can party longer, no headaches, all of that. So make sure to bring plenty of water for your spring break adventure. Second most important thing to do would be to have a nice nourishing treatment of some sort. So that can be something like a serum. Some of the serums that I really like, I like the Sanitas' Vita Rich serum. I like their topical C. It creates a nice protective barrier, especially if you're going to like the high mountain deserts, going to be skiing and stuff like that. That creates a nice barrier. Also, if you're going to be like out on a boat, sailboating or anything like that, definitely do something that is going to help to create an antioxidant protector as well as a shield for the skin and UV rays. So let me know if you would like some information about that. You can also click below. I'm going to put everything in the comments below about what I'm talking about, and then a link to my website. So if you are interested in purchasing any products, you can always check them out there. And then my number 1 have to have for your spring break adventure, sunscreen. If I could give to you one advice for the future, sunscreen would be it. I love a physical block, so zinc base is going to be what I would prefer because it's going to help to create a protective barrier. Basically, as long as you don't physically remove that, it'll be protecting you through the day. Zinc is also super healing. Like I said, zinc, if you have breakouts or anything like that, if you think about it, like, right, if you got a cold or something like that, there's zinc lozenges. Zinc is just a super healing property for the skin, and it creates a protective barrier as well, and it basically makes it so that UV rays can't even touch the skin. So the 2 that I would really recommend, I have the Sanitas Solar Block. Sorry. This is a pure zinc. This is safe to use in oceans as well. So if you are going to be having a beach adventure, you can certainly use that while you're in reef areas. Zinc doesn't affect the reef life at all. The other one is the Beautycounter Dew Skin. This has a zinc base as well. And then they also have, Beautycounter also has a spray that's a zinc base as well. Again, not going to have any sort of toxic issues with being in the reef areas, but definitely wear sunscreen, because it is always the worst if you get a terrible sunburn on your vacation. Let me know, leave comments below if you have questions, if you want to know what I would recommend. And I hope that you guys have a rockin' spring break. Happy 2019.